Hi guys, this is May here. Thanks for being on today's live. I appreciate it. My name is May Doldalal, the blog yesfinanciallyfree.com. Thank you for being on the YouTube channel and the Periscope channel. Today's topic is Wall Street bets takes on hedge funds and wins, WSB and the spike in GameStop explained. Hi, America Rod, welcome. So there has been a lot of hype about this. There's a lot going on today, especially because Wall Street Bets has done something historic in the stock market. It took me a while to understand it. Hi, Max Smart. Welcome to the live. So I researched it all morning, and I'm here to explain it. So welcome to today's live. Now, a little bit about myself. My name is May Doldalal. Hi, Scott Espanter. Welcome. I live in Honolulu, Hawaii with my husband, Jamel, and our 7-year-old son, Jordan. We own this 2-bedroom condo, and we own another one down the road, which is a 1-bedroom condo, which is an Airbnb business. But back in 2011, I owned no property. Okay, I was over $40,000 in debt. Hi, this is Carl. I worked at a local bank here in Hawaii. But by 2016, I paid off all debt, proved our family's net worth by $500,000, making almost $500 a month in passive income, and I quit my job. My last day was December 23rd, 2016. So I became a full-time mommy. Part-time, I continued doing my blog, but also I started coaching clients to do what I did, which is create more free time. Create passive income, pay off your debts, create more free time so that you can do what you love. What I love to do is be a mother and be a wife and be at home, eat good food, work out, have a really nice life. Now I meditate every day. I have a better lifestyle. I'm healthier, happier. So I want that for everyone on here. And it doesn't matter who you are, whether you're rich or you're poor. Well, you're not going to be rich on here, but if you're poor, well, it doesn't matter. You could be rich and have no life, okay? It doesn't matter who you are, if you make a lot of money or not. I believe in my heart that you can become financially free if you just decide that you want to do it. So today I'm going to talk about a story that's so cool, something that's going on today that has been going on for a week, or actually it started in April on Wall Street Bets. So let's talk about what's going on. Now, I didn't know about Wall Street Bets until yesterday. Hi, Joe Doherty, welcome. When my brother tweeted, he messaged me on Twitter. He lives in Japan. Hi, Strong One. And he asked me, what's going on with WSB? What is this WSB craziness? Hi, Strong One, welcome to let me know your names, where you're from, guys. So I was like, I don't know what's going on. So I was like, what is WSB? And he's like, Wall Street Bets. So then I looked them up. And hi, Koyopa. And I did hear about GameStop earlier in the week, but I wasn't sure what was I didn't really look into it. I'm not a day trader. All right. I invest for passive income. I invest for long term. I invest for cash flow. I don't invest in instant, except today because of Wall Street Bets. Let's talk about this. What is Wall Street Bets? So Wall Street Bets is a group on Reddit. Reddit is a social media forum. Okay. And they're a group there. I don't know that much about them. I've heard that they are millennials who are mostly unemployed, very bitter, and they do a lot of day trading. Okay. And they talk about the things that they've done in day trading, whether they lost or they won, and they're just discussing day trading and trading in general. Hi, Nevin Wig Dogwas. That's what I know about Wall Street Bets. Okay. That's all I know. And I know that they're kind of nutty. All right. They do kind of crazy stuff because they know they're betting. They know they're in the stock market to bet and gamble. They know it's not investing. So they're totally aware of that, and they're just going for it and doing. So that's Wall Street Bets. Now they have 2 million followers. They have a following there. So they have quite a substantial following. And what I've gathered is in April of 2020, one of their followers noticed that GameStop was being shorted. Now, what does shorted mean? Okay, so this is something that I'm going to explain. All right, so basically, well, you need to know this is the stock market. Okay, there's a group of people on Wall Street Bets talking about stocks. Okay, and then there's GameStop, which is a company that sells video games and consoles, and and a lot of people don't go there anymore because they do everything online. But that's GameStop. Okay, so when the economic downturn happened in March and April, some companies decided to go short. What does that mean? They made a bet that GameStop would go out of business. Okay. They said GameStop's going to go out of business. I'm going to put a short, but they didn't put a normal short. They put a very extreme short position. They shorted more shares than the company actually had outstanding. Okay, and you can do that because it's a derivative thing where you can make a bet on something, someone else can make a bet with you, da da da. So anyway, two hedge funds in particular made large short positions. One of them finally had to close out, lost a lot of money. Melvin, let's see, what is the name of that one? Melvin Capital, I think. Yeah, Melvin Capital was particularly hard hit. They had to go to outside investors to help them fund closing out their short position. And then also Citron Research. Okay, so these are two companies that were heavily impacted by this whole thing. Let me see if it says. They closed it out on Tuesday. They had to get $3 billion infused into their company so they could short sale that. So that was a big deal. Okay, so they needed a lot of money. Now, what exactly happened? So what happened was this hedge fund, Melvin Capital, and I guess Citron Research, they bet the stock would go down. Now, what happened later, which they didn't know what happened, was there was the owner of another company. I forgot the name of the company. It's like a online pet food retailing company or something. But anyway, he ended up buying up 15% of the stock, got 3 of their members from that company on the board, and they're going to help GameStop revitalize itself. And so there's profitable things happening with GameStop. And then I guess some game consoles got upgraded, and there's new game consoles out there, Xbox or whatever things. And they struck an agreement with Microsoft. And so there's 3 to get profits from Xbox sales or something like that. So there's 3 agreements that have helped GameStop since those short positions were put on. Now, the people who shorted GameStop, instead of closing out their shorts, they doubled down. They actually put down more shorts, even on the day that the new board members were announced. So good news is happening to GameStop, and they're even shorting it even more. So what happened was I guess, this is what I've heard, Wall Street Bets got together and they're like, let's just we're going to buy GameStop, right? GameStop. We're going to tell our brokers not to let them use it for short sellers. Short sellers cannot borrow against our stock, cannot touch it, right? We're not going to sell. And they caused this short squeeze. And what happens is people want to sell their stock. They want to get out of their short positions because the stock price goes up. All right. Hi, not me. Hi, 01735. Welcome. So the stock price starts going up because there's all these people betting the wrong way and they need to get out fast. And these other people who own the stock don't want to sell. So they need to get out, right? They need to get out of their short positions. And so they have to spend more money, lots of money. In fact, losing tons of money, basically. That's called a short squeeze. All right. That's the general sum of it. So they basically bet the wrong way. They bet the stock would go down, and Wall Street Bets decided to go reverse that. They're going the reverse direction, and then they're not the only ones. Because of what they saw, other people jumped in. Apparently the guy from Michael Berry, I think his name is, from that movie, The Big Short, on the housing crisis, who shorted the housing stocks and stuff, made a lot of money there. He ended up going with Wall Street Bets and making a ton of money. And these hedge funds are in trouble now. Now, that's not the only thing going on. So the cool thing is that Wall Street Bets is just a social forum. And they just told a lot of people about this. A lot of people on that social forum decided to join together and do this GameStop move where they were on the opposite side. Okay, they were betting on GameStop going up, the other side betting on it going down. They drove the stock price up, creating the short squeeze where the other one had to close out and lose a ton of money, Melvin Capital in particular. All right. Now, the cool thing, though, is that, okay, the little man, the little person is making money here, right? And the big people, the hedge funds, are losing money. And that's what Wall Street Bets says is what they're doing, right? They're saying they're against these hedge funds because they manipulate the market all the time. Now, the news was, and a lot of bigger players in the market are criticizing Wall Street Bets, saying we need more regulation, asking the government to step in. I guess Robinhood froze trading. And that's what caused the huge controversy because people are complaining, the rich elite people are complaining about the little guys who are making maybe 500, $1,000, what I heard from other media stories. Whereas the big hedge funds are losing all this money, and people are like, they've been manipulating the market for years. So why are you making such a big deal about Wall Street bets when there are a bunch of individual small traders who decided to help, go on this? And they're not only doing it, they're doing it to make money, but they're also doing it to help GameStop, to show how poorly that short position was. I mean, they made a huge bet against GameStop, and they kept going in on it. And people are mad. People are mad about the abuse from hedge funds, right? They're mad that hedge funds seem to be the only ones allowed to make big money. They're considered smart, but when a bunch of little people make money, they're considered to be crooks, right? So they're upset, mad. When Robinhood froze trading today, they got pissed off with Robinhood, right? And a lot of celebrities, Mark Cuban, Elon Musk, other are siding with Wall Street bets. And they're saying, you know what? It's about time, that Wall Street had a taste of its own medicine thrown right back at them, And why not? Why not let a bunch of small traders finally win for a change, What's wrong with that? And they saw something you did that was not right, that was not smart even financially. You put too much money down on a short position. That's your risk. You took a risk and you lost, and that's how the market works. So, oh, wow, right? So, and they're mad. They're mad about the media, a lot of media. Now the media is shifting. It seems to be more toward Wall Street bets, but they've been like saying that Wall Street bets is running amok and they're doing all these things. And so it's really fascinating. It's like a historical moment. I got caught up in it a little bit. I was like, oh, I'm going to check out, because there's the next ones they're talking about is besides GameStop, which you can still watch because they say the short squeeze isn't even over yet. It's still going. GameStop's price. I was monitoring it all morning. GameStop's price. It started when this whole fiasco started, right? I mean, during the crisis, GameStop, I think it went down to $4 or something, but now it was stable at about $40. They were shorting it. Went from $40 to as high as $460 something dollars. The high was $469.42 on January 28th, which is today, right, at 10 a.m. So today was the historic day. And it was only $40, guys. Just 5 days ago, it was $42.59 GameStop. And then the short squeeze started really hitting on January 27th when it shot up to $145.96. And then from then, it's just take off. Really high spikes up and down. It went as high as $460.42 at 10 a.m. this morning. And then it went down to $132 at 11:30 a.m. And then it went back up to $272. So as you can see, it's causing a lot of volatility in GameStop's price. And it doesn't even stop there. So they're saying the short squeeze is still going on. People are saying they're going to hold on to their GameStop stock. They want this to go to the end. And so there's a lot going on here. So I highly recommend you check out my blog post at the end of this video. I'm going to put some more videos explaining what's happening more clearly. But Wall Street bets, okay? And I don't know. I don't follow them. Like I said, I'm not a day trader. I'm an investor for financial freedom, for my family, right? Like I said, back in 2011, I sucked with money, guys, and I'm all for the little people. So, of course, I'm siding with Wall Street bets, yeah, because little people, it's like ridiculous. Credit card companies, there's so much. I'm not even going to get into it. But anyway, I was in a lot of debt, right? Credit card debts. I pulled myself out, just by becoming smarter with money, and we have 2 properties now, right? Which wasn't easy for us to do, but we did it. Yeah. I quit my job, right? Started my own coaching business, and all I do is help people become financially free. So I'm totally for the small person, the everyday person going into this market and making a difference. So there's a lot going on here. I'm excited to be a part of and learn about this while it was happening today. So it's exciting. And I just wanted to help explain it a little bit so you guys might understand too. Check out the blog. I'm going to put some more explanatory videos there. And if you're interested in the free ebook, Working Parents Guide to Financial Freedom, just go to yesfinanciallyfree.com, put in your first name, email address, hit the big red yes button, and then it'll get emailed directly to your inbox. It's a guidebook I put together for working parents who just want to spend more time with their children. Yeah. I love my life because I spend time with my son. I spend time with my husband. We go on date nights every week. I meet so many married couples who do not go on dates, and they joke about how, oh, after I have my kids, I don't go on dates. Well, that's something you can take control of. You can have a better lifestyle for yourself, for your loved ones, all right? If you just make the decision now to become financially free. And what a great moment in history, right? The little guy, Wall Street bets. I mean, who knew this would happen? It's so cool. And to see that and to know that, it's just inspiring. And it just goes to show that you can make a change in your life. You can become successful financially. You don't have to worry about big shots and all that. All it takes is you making a decision. And I'm a living example of that. And I want you guys to understand that I'm here to help you. All right. I have a blog. I have services. If you go to products, there's products that I offer. There's also tons of free information on my blog because I just want you to become financially free. All right. Financially free parents are happy parents with happy children, happy communities, safe environments, love, joy, and all that good stuff. Right. So check out my blog, yesfinanciallyfree.com. Check out the link below. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you again on tomorrow's live. Aloha. Take care. Thanks for being on the live, guys.